Your doors are more than just entryways into your home or business. They provide security, insulation, curb appeal, and much more. Over time, doors can wear out or fail to meet your needs due to damage, aging, or poor initial installation. If you're in Houston and suspect your doors might need some professional attention, here are the top 5 signs that it's time to consider professional door installation. Your door is difficult to open or close. One of the clearest signs you need a new door is when it becomes a struggle to open or close. This could result from a variety of issues, including warping. The extreme Houston humidity and heat can cause wooden doors to swell and warp over time. Misalignment. Shifting foundations or improper installation can cause your door to go off track. Rusty or damaged hinges. Years of wear can lead to hinges that no longer function as they should. Not only is a sticky or unresponsive door inconvenient, but it could also compromise your home's safety in an emergency. A professional door installation ensures that your new door fits perfectly and operates smoothly, regardless of weather conditions or structural changes. You notice drafts or increased energy bills. If you've been feeling drafts near your doors or your energy bills have been steadily climbing, it's likely that your door's insulation has been compromised. Over time, gaps and cracks can form between the door and its frame, allowing air to escape and forcing your HVAC system to work harder. This is especially problematic in Houston, where the summers are sweltering and the winters, while mild, still require efficient heating. A professional installer can recommend energy-efficient doors made of materials like fiberglass or steel, designed to keep your home sealed and your energy costs under control. Additionally, they'll ensure the door is properly installed with weather stripping and insulation to block out drafts. Your door shows visible damage. A door that's visibly damaged is more than just an eyesore. Cracks, dents, peeling paint, or rotting wood can reduce your home's curb appeal and make it more vulnerable to break-ins. Here are some common forms of door damage. Cracks and splinters, often seen in older wooden doors. Dents, common in metal doors after years of use. Rot, caused by moisture exposure, especially in Houston's humid climate. A damaged door can also compromise the structural integrity of your entryway. Professional door installers will help you select a durable and stylish replacement door that enhances your home's appearance while offering improved security. Your door is outdated or doesn't match your style. Sometimes, the issue isn't functional but aesthetic. If your door looks outdated or doesn't complement your home's style, it may be time for a change. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home, so it's worth investing in a design that reflects your taste. Professional door installers offer a wide variety of modern and classic designs to fit any architectural style. They'll also ensure that your new door matches your home's color scheme and enhances its overall curb appeal. Your door lacks security features. A door that doesn't provide adequate security is a serious concern. Older doors may lack modern locking systems, and a flimsy or poorly installed door can be an easy target for intruders. In Houston, where safety is always a priority, you need a door that's up to the task. Professional installers can recommend high-security doors made of reinforced materials like steel or fiberglass. They can also install advanced locking systems, including smart locks, deadbolts, and multi-point locks, giving you peace of mind. Why hire a professional for door installation? While it might be tempting to attempt a DIY door replacement, professional installation offers numerous advantages, including precise measurements. Ensures a perfect fit for your door, preventing drafts and operational issues. Expert knowledge. Professionals understand which materials work best in Houston's climate. Time and cost efficiency. A properly installed door saves you money on repairs, energy bills, and potential security risks. Warranty protection. Most professional installations come with warranties, giving you added peace of mind. Final thoughts. Your doors are an essential part of your home, providing security, insulation, and style. If you've noticed any of the signs above, it's time to consider professional door installation in Houston. With the right expertise, you can enhance your home's functionality, energy efficiency, and overall appeal. Don't wait for the problem to get worse. Consult with a professional installer today and make your home safer, more comfortable, and more beautiful.